Hi, welcome to LynxE. In this video, we are going to learn about DC circuits. One of the most important topic, DC circuit. Now, what is exactly DC? DC is nothing but a direct current, where your voltage is constant. With respect to the time, your voltage is constant. So in DC circuit, the first law which we are going to learn and the most important law is Ohm's law. So what is exactly Ohm's law, students? Now, Ohm's law states that, or I can say, it gives you a relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. It gives you a relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. So, what exactly it stated? It stated that the potential difference applied between the 2 points is always proportional to the current. So, I can say potential difference is nothing but voltage. So, this is my voltage, which is defined by capital V, is proportional to current. To remove this proportionality constant, what we put resistance. So what we can define, V is equal to nothing but IR. So this is nothing but a Ohm's law, the most important law. Now, you can just remember this Ohm's law by a small triangle. What I can say, in this way, I can define it. Let's put V here, I here, and R here. So what I can say, V is equal to I into R. That is the relation what I get. If suppose you want to find I, so I can say V by R. Suppose you want to find R, so R I can say V divided by I. So simple, what I can say, see, horizontal line is telling you that horizontal line is nothing but a divide line. And this vertical line is nothing but the multiplication line. So when we want V, so I into R. When we want I, the horizontal line is dividing, so V by R. When we want R, we can define as V by I. So these are three equations what you can remember for Ohm's law. That's great. Now, in a short, I can just define what is V, what is I, and what is R. When we say voltage, voltage is nothing but a potential difference, right? What is exactly potential difference means? That is the work done to move a charge. Work done to move charge. That means suppose I have a charge A, and to move this charge from A to B, whatever work done will be there. Whatever work done will be there. That is nothing but what we define as a voltage. So we say voltage is equal to work done by charge, where the unit is simple, that is volt. So that was a voltage. Now let's define current. That is I. What is current? Current is nothing but, see, when we apply voltage, voltage is nothing but electromotive force, right? It is a pressure which gives a pressure or a force to electrons to flow in the conductor, right? So I can say current is flow of electrons. Flow of electrons, or I can say rate of change of flow of electrons with respect to time. So let's define I as nothing but rate of change of charge with respect to time, where this is coulomb, unit is coulomb, this is second, so coulomb per second is unit. In a simple manner, current was defined by a scientist known as ampere. So I can say simple, the unit for this is nothing but ampere. Great. And the third, the most important, that is resistance. Resistance is provided by a component known as resistor. Now, why we require resistance? Think on that. See, suppose you have a device which wants a current of 2 ampere, but your battery is giving around 3 ampere or more than 2 ampere. So what you need to do? You need to control your current. You need to control the current. You want that your device should accept, or your device is accepting only 2 ampere. If you give more than 2 ampere, obviously it will, it will affect my device. Some short circuit will happen, the device will burst, my components will be faulty, right? So for that reason, you need to control it. So who will control it? That control, or I can limit that electrons by using resistor. Resistor is nothing but which provide resistance to electrons. So opposition to the flow of electrons is provided by resistor. So resistance meaning is opposition to flow of electrons, right? That is defined by R, and the unit is nothing but ohm. Simple. You can also write this as in a Greek symbol, that is ohm. So hope you are clear with Ohm's law. You're clear with what is voltage, what is current, and what is resistance. Okay. Thanks for watching.
To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.